Find the most frequent number in a NumPy array. Suppose I have the following NumPy array. How can I find the most frequent number in this array?
If your list contains all non-negative ints, you should take a look at numpy.binCounts. This URL. And then probably use np.argmax. For a more complicated list, that perhaps contains negative numbers or non-integer values, you can use np.histogram in a similar way. Alternatively, if you just want to work in Python without using NumPy, collections.counter is a good way of handling this sort of data.
You may use if some element is as frequent as another one, this code will return only the first element.
If you're willing to use SciPy.
Performances, using IPython, for some solutions found here. Best is max with set for small arrays like the problem. According to @David Sanders, if you increase the array size to something like 100,000 elements, the max with set algorithm ends up being the worst by far, whereas the NumPy bin count method is the best.